In this video, we'll look at some of the best exercises you can do for thumb arthritis based on this study here. And with all these exercises, we'll stick with 10 repetitions per day. We want to aim for no pain during any of the exercises. The first exercise we're going to work on is called the small fist exercise. We can first work on the IP joint of our thumb here. So you're just going to bend the IP joint here, hold that for a few seconds, and then relax. You can also incorporate your fingers into this exercise, your DIP and PIP joints of your fingers, to create the small fist of the exercise, and try to get full range of motion into extension and flexion for this. It's a good exercise to warm up your hand and increase range of motion. The next exercise will be the large fist exercise. So we're going to be working the MCP joint specifically of our thumb, so you can bring your thumb down into your palm and bring it back. You can also incorporate your fingers in this exercise, specifically your MCP joints and your PIP and DIP joints. So you'll create a fist, hold that for a few seconds, and then extend fully out. You can do 10 of this exercise. This is a good one to increase the range of motion of all of these joints and also get the blood flow pumping through your fingers and your thumb. And then next you can do the tabletop exercise, which is just going to be working the MCP joint of the thumb here. So what you'll do is, bending at this joint, you'll bring your thumb towards the palm of your hand, and then you can relax back to the starting position. Try to get full range of motion in this particular exercise. You can also incorporate this for your fingers as well. So you can hold your fingers in a neutral position and just bending at your MCP joint here of your finger, you'll bend down, hold this for a few seconds, and extend back up into it. If you're getting value from this content, consider leaving a tip of coffee. It really helps support the channel. So we're going to perform the OK sign for this exercise. What you'll do is you'll take your thumb and you're just going to touch the tip of each of your finger here. You'll work your way down all the way through all of your fingers, and you'll perform 10 of this exercise. One thing is, try to ensure that you fully extend your thumb and your fingers after each touch, just to get full range of motion through this exercise. And then next we'll do a finger spread exercise. So for this exercise here, you'll place your hand on a tabletop and keep your fingers and thumb together. And then we're just going to slowly extend our finger and our thumb apart from each other. Hold that for a couple seconds, and then you'll bring them back together. With this exercise, try to bring your fingers as far apart from each other as you can to get full range of motion here, and bring them back into neutral. Next, we'll do a thumb reach exercise. So this will be working our MCP joint of our thumb here. We're just going to take the tip of our thumb and reach towards the base of our pinky here and relax. We'll extend back. You could perform 10 of this exercise. This will be a great exercise to get range of motion improvement in the MCP joint of our thumb. Next, we'll do a gripping exercise. So what you'll do is grab a towel, a pillow, or any sort of ball that has a little bit of give for a grip exercise. You'll place your thumb opposite of your fingers here, and you're just going to squeeze for about a 50% maximum contract squeeze, and hold that squeeze for a few seconds and relax, squeezing your thumb towards your fingers here, and that'll help increase our grip strength potential and improve our strength in our thumb and our hand. This next exercise is the key pinch exercise. So you'll place a small squishy ball between your index finger and your thumb. And for this exercise, what you'll do is you'll bring your thumb, squeeze it in towards your index finger, hold this for a few seconds, and then relax. This is kind of working the muscles in between here and down here in your thumb. Try to keep this joint straight if you can, and squeeze towards your index finger. Do a 3-second squeeze, 50% maximum contract squeeze. Next, we'll do a fingertip pinch exercise. So what you'll do is you'll grab a squishy ball, hold it between the tip of the index finger and the tip of your thumb. And for this, you'll squeeze your thumb towards your index finger, hold this for a few seconds, and then relax. And this exercise, perform about a 50% maximum contract squeeze again for this exercise. And this helps improve our gripping in this particular position, the fingertip pinching position. If you're interested in checking out the randomized control trial that these exercises were based on, I'll put a link in the description of this video below so you can check it out. And if you need some finger pain relief exercises, you can check out this video above, and I'll see you over there.